Yes, email notifications are nothing but as per our example, from we have SBI has got about 10,000 branches. In the 10,000 branches, 2 lakh employees are working. And SBI has given a contract to Accenture to maintain the IT infrastructure of SBI. And also, whenever IT employees, any IT related issues, that means SBI employees get any IT related issues, Accenture has to fix those issues. This is what the contract between SBI and Accenture. And now, say for example, I am the service desk agent. I am the service desk agent. I got a call from some SBI employee. Oh, come on. Uh, Can you give me your instance number, guys? Now my instance is hibernated,
Yes.
so I have to wake it up. Can you give me your number, please? Buddy. Fast, guys.
It's 135888.
135.
135888.
135. Ah, 135. What is your login ID? Admin and password?
Service at 23.
So, so I am the service desk agent. Every day I will go to incident module and click on create new and wait for the call from the SBI employee. So here I got a call from, say for example, well tutor, and I asked him for what is the issue. He told I have a printer issue. Then I will type user is issue with printer. Okay? At the California, something like that. And I assign this ticket to, I will assign this ticket to hardware. Okay. So now I will save the record. As a service desk agent, my job is done. Now tell me guys, how would Abel Tutor knows that I really raised a ticket on behalf of him?
He receives email.
Correct? So even not only service now, if you call any Amazon or ICICI, any customer care, even the once you end up your call, you will get a message to your phone number as well as email ID saying that thanks for contacting service desk. And this is your which description and the ticket has been assigned to this and number will also be provided. And then they will say your issue will resolve as early as possible. Correct. So in
Yes.
the same way, here also ServiceNow has to send the email to able tutor or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So yes. So that is called email notification here, guys. Okay. And now when the state is new, able tutor got a notification, that is fine. So now able tutor gets satisfied with yes, my ticket got created. It's fine. Now it some from hardware team. David Lu started working on this issue. David Lu started working on this issue. I am saving this. David Lu has updated his name and saved the record. And now the state is in progress. So now tell me, in progress, Abel tutor has to get the email notification or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Why? If you know, you have to justify your statement, guys. If yes,
He will know that they are working on the ticket.
exactly. If you send the notification, able tutor will be, he will be waiting for whether it is started. Okay, this agent has raised the incident. That is fine. But, somebody has to take care of the ticket, right? So he will be waiting whether the issue has, no, somebody has picked up the ticket or started working on it. Now, if it is in progress, yes, now able tutor will get satisfied. Yes, my, somebody has picked up my ticket and started working on it. So that he will understand that within short time he will get the solution for it. All right. Now, David Lu wants some information from able tutor. Like, David Lu wants a printer model here, printer model to start a troubleshooting. Okay, he will update, yeah, he will update the additional comments. Hi, Abel, can you please provide the printer model so that I can start troubleshooting on the same. Okay. Now he has updated and put it on state is on hold and awaiting caller. That means awaiting caller means who is caller here? Abel tutor is
Abel.
caller. David Lu is waiting for the information from Abel tutor. So now David Lu will save the record. Okay. David Lu will save the record. If that is the case, so now Abel tutor has to respond to Abel tutor, David Lu. Abel tutor has to respond to David Lu. Unless and until Abel tutor, David Lu gets the information from Abel tutor, he can't do anything. So that's the reason why he put it on. Now tell me guys, in this scenario, Abel tutor get the notification from ServiceNow with this
Yes.
Yes.
with this information, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes.
Yeah. So now a well tutor will get the notification saying that can you please provide the printer model, all these things. Now a well tutor will reply to the email or he will log into the ServiceNow system and he will update like this. Hi David, my printer model is floor top and the model printer type is floor top and model is Canon 4040, something like this. And he will save the record. Okay.
Okay.
Now, again, once he sends the email, so the state will be moved back to in progress like this. Okay.
Okay.
So again here, David Lu should get the email notification that Abel tutor has sent. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So he will also receive. Okay. He will also see that message. Now David Lu starts working on it and he will fix the issue. Okay. Now David Lu will move the state again by updating this. We have fixed the issue. Hi Abel. We have fixed the issue. And please check and confirm. This is how he will write the list and put it on awaiting caller again. On hold awaiting caller. Even now also, Abel tutor will receive email notification from ServiceNow with this information. Now, Abel tutor will start the printer and take the printouts, and if he's satisfied, then he will tell like, hi David, hi David, thanks. Printer is working fine now. and you can resolve the ticket. Then he will type like this, save the record. Now, after looking at the email or information from able tutor in the ticket, okay, David will move the state from on hold to resolve. Okay, and when David Lowe resolving the ticket, he has to write the notes what he has for the to what he has done to fix the issue. Resolution code. What he has done? Okay, resolution solution provided. What solution provided? We have changed the motherboard, the printer. Okay, so now he will save it. It's done now. Okay, now
Okay.
after 1 week, after no, actually there is as per the ITIL process, there is a policy of 5 business days. If today is 15, 21st till 21st, able tutor will have time to reopen the same ticket. So reopen the same ticket. If he gets the issue on the same printer, if he gets the issue on the same printer, he can reopen the resolved ticket. He can reopen the serial. If he gets the issue on 22nd or 23rd, that means after 5 business days, if he gets the issue, well tutor has to go for the new ticket. He cannot reopen the ticket. So ServiceNow system, after 5 business days, checks how many tickets are there past 5 business days. It will be moved from resolved to closed automatically. Automatically, ServiceNow system will close the ticket after 5 business days. Here, once it is moved to closed state, you can see, no, you cannot write or type anything on the thing. You cannot change the state because it is grayed out. That means it is a policy of the organization. Once the ticket is closed, you cannot reopen it. You have to go for a new ticket. Is this clear, guys? Is this clear?
Yes, Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Right. Now, so in the so able tutor should get the note, should be notified in the closed state also.
Yes.
Able tutor should be notified in the closed state also, or it is okay to okay up to resolved state. Prastap, Shruti, Srikant.
He needs
Yes,
to be
he will get,
notified.
he will receive.
Right. So now you understand when to receive. When the caller or any person, see in the same way, even call also, you will decide, caller will decide when to call to other person. Okay, what is the situation? Based upon that, they will call you, right? So in the same way here also, ServiceNow system and the ServiceNow administrator developer, ServiceNow developer has to think when the system has to trigger the email notification to somebody. That is called when. So that means here in when you are configuring notifications, there are 3 conditions need to be followed: when to send, what to send, who will receive. When you want to send the notification, what it will contain, and who will receive. Okay, these are the 3 conditions which you need to remember before you configure the notification. So here you can understand when you want to send the notification, that is decided. When the state is in for sending the notification, that is fine. To whom, who will receive, to whom you are going to send the notification?
Caller.
Correct? To caller
Right.
you are sending the notification. Then what it will contain? See, in the email notifications, you will have, in the email, you will have 3 things. To subject line, body of the email. Correct? So,
Yes.
guys, please stop me immediately if you don't understand.
Yeah. Kumar, so one thing is every time we mention a person's name in the ticket, he will be
Ah,
notified every time, right?
yes.
Oh.
Please compare. Please try to understand with your real-time scenario. Can you, Pushpuja, can you, no, uh, just tell me your question again?
No, I'm just asking you. Every time we mention a person's name in the ticket, he will be get notified, right? In the notes.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
If whoever is the caller is there, he will be notified.
Yeah.
Okay. So, right. And at the same time, here, if the ticket is raised, that is fine. If here in the able to, no, is the caller, that is fine. Here he has a user, service desk agent will write it like, short description. User is facing issue with printer in California branch. That is fine. But here I have assigned as a service desk agent, I have assigned this ticket to hardware team. So do you think ServiceNow has to send email notification to hardware group members also or only to caller?
No, they need to
Only,
send to the assignment
only
group.
call.
Who is group? Who is caller? Tell me.
All the
I
group
said
members.
group as well.
Okay. For both you are telling or only one?
For both.
Both.
Others, Sadhna, Dilip, Azam Khan.
Sir, sir,
It
for
will be
both, sir.
sent to both, sir.
Both of them will be.
Yes, that is correct. We have to send the email notification to both because these members should also notified saying that, hey, there is a ticket to your group. Please look into the issue as early as possible. So that is the reason why. That's what you have to, as a developer, you have to think all the scenarios which are to be notified. Okay.
Okay.
Back to the same point again. So here, if ServiceNow is sending the notification, if ServiceNow is sending the notification out, that means ServiceNow is sending the notification to caller and the assignment group members. That means for ServiceNow, it is a outbound notification. Even if I am calling somebody like Anuja, it is outgoing for me, and for Anuja, it is incoming, right? In the same way, if ServiceNow is sending the notification out to somebody, that is called outbound notification. If ServiceNow is receiving the notification from able tutor or any member, any user, that is an inbound notification to service. Okay. So now today we are going to discuss about outbound notifications. Okay. So here,
Kumar, 1 minute.
yeah, tell me.
So this comes under admin part, or this comes under dev part?
It will come under development part.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Okay. So now we have discussed email notification outbound. ServiceNow system is sending the notification to caller or the assignment group. Then it will be called as outbound email notification. Okay. And now we have here we will have, as I already told you, when to send, who will receive, what it will contain. When to receive, you have already, when to send, you have already decided when the state is new or in progress or on hold. When you have already decided to whom you want to send, who will receive this, either caller and the assignment who will receive the notification in this scenario. Then what it will contain, what is the body of the email, correct? So here email body, first two will be there, caller or the assignment group, the two. Subject line. So now tell me guys, in the subject line, how the subject line should be? It should be precise and more informative. That means even I'll just give an example. You will receive every month. Yeah, every month you will receive notifications from your banks saying that credit card statement for the month of June, for the month of May. You, without opening that, by looking at the subject line, without opening that email, you will be able to understand what it has in inside. Correct?
Yes.
In the
Yes.
same way, here also, email, by looking at the subject line, the notifier, that means who has received the notification, should understand what is there in inside. So that is how you have to create your subject line. Okay. So now you tell me how the subject line should be in this scenario.
Incident number along with the status. If it is, if the status is changed, then status change it to so and so.
Okay. So if that is the case, if I have raised 4 to 5 tickets, one is for my printer, one is for my login issue, and one is I am not able to leave on my YONO application. 3 tickets I have raised, and for 3 tickets I will receive notification. Now, how will I identify which ticket is I have raised for YONO, which ticket I have raised for printer, which ticket I have raised for my YONO application?
With the
So that,
subject line of short description.
exactly. So in the subject line, so if you have incident number and the subject line, sorry, short description in the subject line, by looking at the subject line, I'll be able to understand, oh, this ticket is for my printer issue. Oh, this ticket is for my own application. Like that, I'll be able to understand. You got it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Swati Varma,
Yes, sir.
Kalamma.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, right. This is how I need to understand. So here you understand the subject line also. Now tell me about the body of the email notification. Tell me, guys, body of the email notification. 2 is done. Subject line is done. Body. Now I am talking about body. Now first, what you need to do? You need to greet the caller, right? You need the caller or whoever is you are sending, whether it is caller, whether it is a group member, whatever it may be, you need to greet them by saying hi, hello. That is
Yes.
written here. You cannot write directly able to. Can you write like this?
No.
No, like hi team.
Yeah, hi, hello, you have to greet first. So I do that like this. That means here in our scenario, whether it is caller or assignment group, then the body. Now tell me, how should be the body? With the incident number? Yeah.
With the incident number, short description,
Yes.
Short description, state,
and the state.
3 values which we can put in the initial status. Initial email, yes, write this. Okay. Now, so how we will write? Incident has been raised on behalf of you and it will be resolved as early as possible regarding IT service desk, something like that. Correct.
Yes.
Yes.
IT service desk, something like that. The service system will send the email to Abel. Is this clear, guys? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anybody,
sir.
any questions? Now we will jump into the original part, that is practical one. Okay. Whenever you create outbound email, whenever you write email, outbound email notifications, type email here on the left side navigation, type email, go to the bottom. Okay, go to the bottom. Under system notification emails, here you have notification module. Right click, open these notifications. These are the existing notifications. 273 notifications are there. These are the existing one. But here on the incident, we are discussing about incident table here. Everybody knows what is table here, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Everybody who
Yes,
don't
yes.
know, tell me. Right. Here I am. So right now I will check how many email notifications created on incident table here. Incident table. See, there are 22 notifications already created by system by default. That means this is a demo data. What I am trying to do, these are all active. So if these are all active, when you try to create your own notification and practice, you will get confused with these notifications. So what you need to do is select, pull out active column here and try to select by selecting shift down arrow, select all the notifications like this and double click on this, make them false. That means make them inactive. 20. Okay, make them inactive. There are two more. Okay, no issues. I will. Okay, they're all false. That is fine. True, true. Okay, I will make these two also false. So no confusion at all. When you practice, you will not be able to understand whether your notification is getting triggered or ServiceNow already created notification is getting executed. You are not in the initial status. It will be very difficult for you to understand. So that's the reason why I am asking you to make all the existing email notification on the incident table false. Okay.
Okay.
Make them inactive. False means inactive.
Okay.
Again, I'm right. Email notifications. Now I will create new one. Now, see, this is a notification new record. Now I want to send a notification to caller when the state is new. Okay. So here I will write like notify on new state. Notify on new state. And the table is in which table I am writing this, guys?
Incident.
Yeah, incident table. Category also you can write communication plan, something like that. It is already existing. Communication plan is it? Okay, when to send. We have already discussed about when to send, right? In this scenario, when to send, guys? Tell me. We have already discussed this. When you want to send the notification?
When the incident is created.
When the incident is created, what will be the state?
New.
New.
Right?
When the state
So,
is new.
correct. So here, when to send, your condition is when the state is new, you want to send the notification when the state is new. Okay, then what is this inserted, updated? Now it is a question for you guys. Everybody has to answer this. Now I am going to incident form, create new. Here I will put abelt user and also I will go to all. Okay, this is all. And created, where is my created, guys? Okay, no created here. Opened is also fine. Okay, 23/6/14. That means June month 14. The latest ticket is 10048. Okay. Now I am clicking on create new. Now tell me guys, what is the latest ticket here?
50.
Okay. Any other answers?
49.
48.
49 is the new
Verma,
ticket number. Sir.
Mauni, Ala,
48 is
Rita. What is the ticket here?
48 is what?
50 or this 48?
48.
48.
Right?
48.
Because
It is not saved yet.
Exactly. It is not yet saved, right? So if you go to this and refresh the form, no, you will not get a 50 ticket here because it is not yet saved. For the first time, if you are saving the record, that means you are inserting a record in the database. Right, I have saved it for the first time. Now tell me, this 50 will be available in the list view? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
It will be available.
Yes, sir.
It will 50 is the latest ticket. So now this 50 is a new ticket or existing ticket, guys?
It's a new ticket.
New
It's a new
ticket.
ticket.
Existing ticket.
Exactly. It is already saved, right? So it cannot be treated as new means inserted. It is not insert. It is now it is, if you do something on this, is it a insert or update?
Updates.
Update.
Update.
So for the first time, if you are saving the record, that is insert. After inserting the record for the first time, if you are doing the save or update for the second time, it is called modify or update. Simple. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah. Now tell me again, coming back to the notification part. Yeah. Now tell me, if the state, when the state is new, is it a insert or update, guys?
Inserts.
Insert.
So now I am selecting insert. Who will receive? Who will receive? To whom you are going to send this notification, guys?
Caller.
Color.
Caller and group.
Right.
Column.
So here I will put like users. I will add some user like able tutor. Okay, able tutor. Here in the incident form, I have got able tutor. But if I put now, ServiceNow has to send the email notification to able tutor or somebody else.
Able
Caller.
If I put Abraham Lincoln here, Abraham ABHA, Abraham Lincoln, Abraham Lincoln, are okay, I think okay, Amelia. So Amelia is there. Now, Abel tutor has to get the notification or Amelia has to get the notification.
Amelia.
Amelia.
Amazing.
So here, if you put in the notification, if you put Abel tutor, this is a hard-coded one, guys. That means even the caller is Abel tutor, Amelia, Abel tutor, Swati, Anuja, whatever it may be, Abel tutor will get the notification. Is that the correct process?
No.
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 sir.
So that is the reason why I am removing this. This is a hard-coded one.
Yeah.
So I am removing this guy from the users list. I am adding users and groups in fields. That means I will directly add the caller and close this so that the ServiceNow system will pick up the caller field. Whoever it may be, it will go to caller field and it will pick up the caller ID, caller name, and it will go to the caller's user profile. From here, it will pick up the email ID and send the notification. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
If I put
Yes, sir.
caller here, it will go to the caller field directly and pick up the name of the caller and go to user profile of the caller, pick up the email ID from there and send the notification. This is what the system will do if you add the caller. Got it?
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
Now I will
Yeah.
tell you about the group tomorrow once you understand this. Okay, what it will contain. What it will contain, we have already discussed. What it will contain is there are three conditions: when to send, whom to send, who are sending it to caller, what to send. That means what it will contain. That means the body. Body we have to define. Okay. So what it will contain, please remove this email template. Tomorrow we'll discuss email template part. Now the subject line. Tell me what we have defined the subject line, guys. Incident.
Instant number.
Incident number
So,
description.
yeah, short description. So subject line should be dollar. This is a syntax which you need to follow. There is no other. Curly braces. The backend database name of the field. How to identify the backend database name of a field, guys?
Right click on
right
the
click.
Right click on the
field.
Right click on the field. Right click on the field. The lower case
Sure. Yeah.
is the name of this number field. Right? In the curly braces, put a number. in the curly braces, put number. And what you wanted to add, other thing, that is a short description, dollar, curly braces. In between that, what you want to do, right click on the field, short underscore description is the backend database name. If you want to have click on short description, show, click on show and copy also. You can do a copy. Copy and paste it here. Clear? So the service dollar curly braces in between that number is there means ServiceNow system will go to the number field and pick up that value and put it in the description field, subject line field. Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And short description means it will go to
Description.
Kumar, I have a question. Like around the number, you have curly braces, and around the short description, it shows different brackets. Is it how it has to be done?
yeah. Somebody was asking something. Yeah, what? Lakshmi?
It's me, Mauni.
No.
So my question is that around this number, you have put the curly braces, and
Yes.
around the short description, you have put the different box brackets, I
Where-
think.
Where
Ah,
bracket?
So
okay.
is
This
that
is
the
correct.
format?
Good catch. Good catch. So actually, that is not correct. No, see, by click on holding the shift button, we have to put this curly braces. Okay. So yeah. So now ServiceNow system will go to description on the incident form, and it will pick up the short description, put it in the subject line. This is how it will be done. Now, what I have told you, this is body of the hi. We have to greet the caller, bro. So I will put like hi dollar curly braces caller underscore ID. Caller underscore ID means the backend database name of the caller. See,
Okay.
underscore ID. Okay. So now here hi caller, that means it will put directly hi able tutor. Hi Sweta. Hi Shruti. Something like that. Okay. Now here incident number again dollar curly braces lowercase number. That means incident number will be pasted. Has been raised on behalf of you, okay, on behalf of you, and it will be resolved as early as possible. Even you can identify, even you, I hope everybody will be having bank accounts, right? Bank accounts, if you have account in regards IT services. Okay, so they want to send a New Year wishes to all their customers, bank account customers. So they have got 5 crores account. So everybody will be writing their names and sending the notification to us, sending the email greetings to New Year greetings to everybody 5 crores customers. Is that possible?
No, sir.
No,
No.
sir.
Or what they will do is they will write the syntax like this and send the notification. Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So it will go to the customer form and it will pick up the customer account number and it will pick up the customer name. From that, it will pick up the email ID and send the notification. Okay, in the same way we are also doing. Right. So now I have created what want to send is there, who will receive is there, what it will contain is also done. Now I will save this notification. I will save this notification. Okay. Now you can preview the notification. Here you have a preview. Even before taking the printout on the Word document, you will preview it, right? Whether it is coming correctly or not. So you can preview the notification. Click on preview notification. See? Okay. Now I have not selected any incident, but it's okay. It will pick up the preview notification, I will pick up the record from here, preview record. So I will take the printer. User is facing printer, see, California. See the incident number. It is sending the users to Abel Tutor because 48. I will go to 48 now. 48. This is the email node or incident. So it has picked up the caller like Abel Tutor. Short description is number plus short description, right? Yeah. So number comma short description. Body is hi Abel Tutor. Incident number has been raised on behalf of you and it will be resolved as well. Is this clear, guys?
Yes.
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 Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So now, if you really want to in your email, in your that means in your Gmail box, what you can do is you can go to email to the bottom, properties, leave it. See, here email sending is enabled is there. No, you have to check this box and save the record. You have to check this box and save this record. That is under email, system properties, email properties, outbound email configuration, say yes. Say yes. Okay. Now
Okay.
saving the record. So if I add my, I'll go to user form. Array yaar, what? Okay. Now, incident form. No, not incident. Okay, user administration. User administration. I will go to Abel Tutors form. Okay. I will put like my email ID here. My email, what is my email ID? Mail to Kumar email@gmail.com. This is my email ID, guys. And I'm saving the record. Active is there, that is fine. Now I will open my Gmail ID. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Kumar.
Yes,
Okay,
Kumar.
there you go. Right, it is loading. You will see. Okay. So, yeah. So, yeah. So now I will send the email notification. Earlier, ServiceNow has stopped this service, but we will check. 1 month ago, they have stopped the service. Email sending out the notification because some spammers are taking this as an advantage, sending spam emails to other customers, other people, so that they are looking like it is received from ServiceNow and they are hacking those email ID. So that's the reason why ServiceNow has stopped this service. but I'm not sure whether they have restarted or not. I will check it. Okay. Now I will create one incident. Okay. Caller is able to because my email ID is there. I will put printer issue. I will assign this to Mexico. And okay. So now we have to wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Because yeah, if you want to check whether ServiceNow has sent this email out or not, you can go to email logs. Email logs. Okay. Yeah. Email logs will be. Guys, check it out. Email logs. See, system logs emails. See here, what is today's date? 15. So 14th is the other date. Your service. Quiet.
Updated, click add updated.
Wait. Email to Kumar, printer issue. It is send ready. Send ready means it is not sending out. If you open this email log, no, ServiceNow has not yet restarted that service, but it is okay. It is send ready. It is in the send ready mode. If the that service is available, immediately it will be moved to sent. Type will be like sent. It will be in sent mode. Status. Got it? And now if I open this transaction, if I go to preview email here, this is how my email body has sent. Okay. Hi, able tutor, this has been raised on behalf of the IT service desk. Any confusion on this, guys?
No.
No.
Everybody. Pushpaja, Shruti, Srikant, Swati, Verma, Vinay Kamutam, Yerram, Sharad.
Sir, can you go to email notification once? Allow
Yeah.
digest. What is digest email?
That will come in the next class. Don't worry. Everything will be discussed. Okay. You're asking about this one, no? Allow digest. Yeah, we will discuss in the next class. There are a lot of things. This is not, we have not yet completed the email notification part. We have outbound email notifications, also. We have templates also. We have email properties also we have to discuss. There are 2 more classes on this email notification. Okay?
Yeah, Kumar, one doubt, small doubt.
Yeah, please.
Kumar, is there any limitations for writing the body of the content? Like
No limitation.
No limitations, right?
No
Okay.
limitation.
And my second question would be like, can we have the multiple callers, like same issue? Suppose, for example, one application is being used by different people, and the business have the same problem. Can we add like multiple groups or in the caller list?
In the watch list, you can add.
Watch list, but we can't add it in the callers, like by selecting multiple.
There is only one option. If you want this, whatever. See, I am the able tutor. You are RM Hariprasad is my teammate. He is also having the same issue, but he don't want to. He wants to continue with my incident. That is what you are saying, right?
No, Abel Tutor and Hari belongs to the same group. Okay.
Same
so
group.
Can we have? Yes.
Same group means, yeah, that's what. You can add a group directly. That's what. Tomorrow, if you can practice this, tomorrow I already told you, right? I'll tell you how to manage the group also. If you add the group directly, the system will send the email notification to all the group members.
Okay.
I hope this is your question, correct?
No, in case if you are assigning a specific group in the assignment group, then what is the point of having able tutor in the caller list?
See, I am sending
Indicate.
email notification differently to caller, differently to assign.
No, caller, can the caller be a group? That's what my question is. Caller.
Sir, like
No,
maybe his
caller
issue
cannot
is
be a
like
group member. No.
a caller, multiple callers. If the issue is persisting with an application in the same location, like can the
Exactly.
email notification
That's what I'm
be
saying.
sent
You
to
can
all
add
the
them in the
callers?
watch list. You can add them in the watch list. You can add n number of persons, like I told you.
Oh, yes.
Abraham Lincoln you can add, and also you can add Alan Martin, you can add. So how many users are affected? If they want to monitor this incident, how they are going to fix, when they are going to fix, you can add them in the watch list. Even ServiceNow will send the email notification to watch list members also. Clear?
Okay. Got it.
Kumar, so this watch list group people will be receiving the mails that are configured to caller or the group, assigned group.
Basic notifications will not be sent, but here this watch list people will be receiving when the communication will be done between the assigned 2% and the caller.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Any other information? Other doubts? Anybody?
Like if the same issue persists and multiple callers are calling, then we can add it to the add those
So
tickets as a
usually
time ticket,
what
right?
I understand your question. So what I have done is I am sitting in Hyderabad and you are sitting in California. Some Hari Prasad is sitting in Texas. Shruti is sitting in Singapore, but all are SBI employees. All are having issue with YONO application. Okay. But I don't know Hari Prasad. Hari Prasad don't know Shruti. Shruti don't know Azam Khan. But everybody has called service desk. Service desk has raised 5 tickets on the same issue. Then what? End of the day, what will happen? It will go to YONO application only. But all the 5 tickets will go to YONO application only. Correct?
Yes.
So here we will take it as software. Okay, end of the day, it will go to software group only. Save the record, all 5 tickets. Now, what software will do is they will make this first ticket as period and the other tickets as related records. Okay, as a child ticket. So, see, child tickets are there. The other Azam Khan's ticket, Hari Prasad ticket, Shruti's tickets will be moved as parent, as child ticket. So, see, this ticket is child, this ticket is child, and this ticket is child. So, once the parent ticket is resolved, all other child tickets will also get resolved. This is the formula. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Does it make sense?
Yes, sir.
That is called parent and child relationship.
So Kumar, once we get notified that every incident have the same issue, but we are attaching those from the slush bucket to a parent ticket.
No. You will not. You means who are you? You are the group member or you are the caller?
No, I am a ServiceNow team.
ServiceNow team.
No, like how will the child ticket will be resolved? Like how will that ticket know that okay, that ticket is parent ticket is already resolved?
That is a functionality in the background. Going forward, when we discuss about client scripts and business rule, that we will discuss. So how?
Oh.
See, that means whenever there is a relationship, if 4.8 is related to this 1, 2, 3 tickets, correct? So when I recall this, somebody from software team, David Lou is there. He started working on it. Once the ticket has started and once the David Lou resolved the ticket, when the David Lou resolve this ticket, ServiceNow system will check whether they have any child tickets related to it or not. If yes, then they will move the state from in progress to resolved automatically. Understand? ServiceNow system will do that automatically.
Okay.
Kumar, I have a question.
See, all
Like,
is resolved. Just now, earlier it was in progress. Now it is moved to resolve. Correct?
Yeah.
Change
Yes.
known error something. Can you show us that? We have just changed something.
This resolution information I have known before when I am resolving the ticket. In both fields are mandatory. So I have entered something and saved the record. So to
Okay.
the child ticket, what should have no, child tickets have been changed. Status of child tickets. Okay.
Kumar, I have a question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So how will these tickets be segregated as the parent ones and the child ones? Is
See
the
that.
system going to do it?
That's what I'm saying. As a support group member, if you receive 100 tickets a day, every day usually you will get 5 to 6 tickets. One day you got 100 tickets. That means all your team members will be checking by all the tickets one by one, and finally they will, as a team lead, they will know team members will inform team leader saying that all the issues are related to same. What I should do? Then team leader will suggest to make one incident as parent, all 99 as child.
Okay, so this one it will be done by the ServiceNow team itself.
No, not ServiceNow team. Whoever the assignment group is there, that team will do.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Understood. Thanks.
Any other questions from anybody? Varma, Vinay Kamutam, Prashanti.
Yeah, Kumar, I have one now. So
please.
here, if you are putting the status to closed, we can't return back to open, right? We can't open the incident again, right?
Correct.
So is there any possibility that we can change that? So even if it is closed, again, we can change the functionality to make it as open.
See, that is there, but it is only possible for the ServiceNow admin role. ServiceNow administrator can do that, but not ITIL, not ESS role members. But as for the, so see, even if you are a ServiceNow administrator, will you follow SBA policies or you will do it on your own?
Yeah, we'll follow the policy. So if at all we get the work to change this stuff,
then
so,
yes, there is a possibility. I'll show you going forward. The scripting also we can do. There is a small Chrome extension is there, SN utils is there. With the help of that, we can change it directly. I'll show you.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yes.
Sir, every time we are changing the state to like in progress, in resolved. So every time the mail will be sent to
yes,
caller.
very good question. That is what I am expecting from you. Here, here we have only created the notification for new state only. That's what I told you, right? There are still we have to go deeper in the same topic. So if the state is moved to in progress or on hold, what should we do? How to manage one email notification for all the states, that we will discuss tomorrow. If you can practice this for today, tomorrow I'll go deeper. Okay.
By applying conditions.
And sir, a small question, like, can the caller reopen the ticket if he is feeling the issue is not resolved?
Yes, definitely. He can log into his ID and log in with his ID with ServiceNow, and he can go to that open incident and open that particular incident. There will be a button called reopen. Click on reopen and it will get reopened.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Any other questions from anybody? Okay. So see you tomorrow, guys, the same time for the continuation of this email notification stop. Okay.
Kumar, can you send this recording?
I will send. See, I will tell you one thing, guys. If I go to recordings again, today is 15th. Okay, today is 15th. So June 15th, it is still processing.
Okay.
47 we have started. No, this is to get this processing completed. It will take 1 hour time. So after 1 hour, 1.5 hours, you will get this recording. Okay.
Yeah, Kumar, can you send the yesterday's ones? Actually, you have sent the May month's recording. So
May month recording. So yeah, so if it is a May month recording or 2021 recording, the topic will be same. Why I send you that recording means that recording was a very good recording which I have saved it for myself. Why? Because it has got extra information also in that video. Okay, so that is the reason why, apart from what I discussed in the yesterday's session, the video has more information. That is the reason why I will keep those recordings with me and I'll share the same with them, with everybody. Got my point?
Yeah.
Kumar, what is the timings tomorrow? Because we have joined today at 8:30, sorry, 7:30 or something. 7:40.
Same time, 7:45.
Okay.
So for Anuja, whoever has asked me for form layout, please join after 5 minutes. Again, join back. Whoever has asked me for form layout thing, please join after 5 minutes. Okay? Anuja, Azam Khan.
For form design?
Yeah, for
Form design.
only form design.
Monday class I didn't attend this.
You can even set the video if you have any other from any other batch.
No, I didn't understand your Pushpuja.
Sir, I am Geeta. I didn't attend the Monday class. I don't know what discussed in Monday class.
I don't know. Beena, no, from which batch you are?
25th May. So
Okay, then I have sent you all the videos in that group. No, you can go through that. We have discussed only form layout and how to create fields and all. That's it.
okay, sir. Thank you.
So Anuja, okay. So Pushpaja, you are asking me about the form layout or form design?
No, I am asking about the yesterday's class, Monday's class which we missed. Like you said, like you will be recording it again and you will be sending it to.
That's what I'm saying. If you can tell me the topic name, I'll search for it, or again I will teach you.
I was absent that day.
Okay. So then who no, in which group you are?
25th.
25th. Yeah. So 25th means we have discussed the same thing, form layout only. I have sent that video in the group.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Azam Khan, you are also asking something?
No, sir.
You are clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So everything is clear right now. So try to join tomorrow at same time, 7:45 sharp. I will start the class at 7:50. Hello, bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.